Good morning here from Little Blue Farm. This morning we are picking weeds. Best thing you can do on a Sunday morning. We have this lovely grass that has started to grow in all of our new beds. So instead of just picking weeds, we get to pick grass, individual little pieces of grass out of the beds. That's always fun. It's hard to tell here mixed in with all of the little grassy pieces, but we finally have snap peas coming up. There's a whole row of them there. And lima beans and pinto beans. And then we also have some tomatoes that have made it, and we will probably end up needing to plant a couple more. Livy, what are you doing?
Picking all the seeds off the
Asparagus?
asparagus.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll end up with some more. What about you, Ken? What are you doing?
Burying the asparagus seeds.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Letting the white and brown stuff. Hey, let me.
This bed here has broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage, which we will be putting a net over to stop all of the pests that we get. This is our asparagus bed. This is our second season with it, and though it's gone to seed for the season, we did get a little bit of a harvest from it, and we're just kind of hoping that next year we get a little bit more out of it, but it's doing great. So we had a busy weekend, and I haven't been out here in a few days since we got all of the rain last week, but we have potatoes. Every barrel is starting to get a little bit. This bed here is at the back of our yard, and we currently do not have a hose hooked up to it. So we were just hoping for tons of rain, which we unfortunately have not really gotten. So not everything is doing too hot back here. This area here is our corn and watermelon, pumpkins, zucchini, all of the things that overwhelm our smaller raised beds. But right now our zucchini and honeydew are not doing too hot, so I'm probably going to replant a couple of those seeds, so hopefully we can get something this season out of them. Put a couple extra in there. Whoops. We're getting the panels put on our cattle gate here because our goats like to go out into the yard and into the garden and up our trees and all of that fun stuff. So we are putting these up so they can't get through and are going to make it look similar to our other gate. Just need one more board and we will be finished with this one. This here is a barn that we used to use for storage, but we added some fencing to include it into our farm area, and it will now get used for our hay storage, feed storage, and a little hangout for our kitties. So we've been organizing this and pretty much have it cleared out now. That's the kitty area there, looking pretty clean. This gate here is going between our farm and the new area that we have fenced by the barn.
Hey, Mama, I have a bucket.
Time for everybody's dinner.
Hey, Mama, I have a bucket.
Cleaning out the water bin and getting it all scrubbed to refill with nice fresh ice cold water for them. Seeing as how it's another 85, 90 degree day in Michigan. Everybody is patiently waiting while we get that done. Say hi, Hopscotch. Everybody got fresh water, filling up food. Whoops. So much for that. What do you got? Oh, this is one of our new birds. These are Freedom Rangers. They're a dual purpose meat and egg layer. Hello. Yeah, we got 5 of those. We plan on breeding some and slaughtering a couple this year with our Cornishes in order to kind of just try them out. Hi, Clover. S'mores, are you checking out the duck house over there? Are you the crazy goat?
No.
Nice and cleaned up for the duckies. Everybody's relaxing in the shade over here. They know how to do it. No, we're gonna go play in the mud instead. Those two just follow each other around everywhere they go. Wet piggies! Wet piggies! Oh yeah, they want some of that too.
To pick them up?
Hello, Dolly. I don't know. I just didn't know if you wanted to hang out with the turkey. We're gonna wrestle some turkeys. Marley, are you scaring those kitties away? Marley's scaring the kitties. He's harmless. He won't do anything to you. Itchy duck. Just cleaning all the hay and chicken poop out of the feeders for our chicks. This is our chicken Honey, who was hurt by another chicken a few weeks ago. She's doing pretty good. Just hanging out here in the chicken coop with our ladies. These will be all of our laying hens. We got rid of our 3 adult hens a few weeks ago after they attacked one of our chicks. They weren't doing well with transitions and just decided to keep our chicks that we had been raising this spring, and hopefully in a few weeks we'll have rainbow eggs.
Need to mow back there.
What?
Need to mow.
Quick dinner tonight on my amazing Pioneer Woman cookware. It's going to be mac and cheese, baked beans, asparagus, and hot dogs and brats.
No, give that one to me after, okay?
See what I mean? We got strawberries. A couple.
I want to show this one.
Well, that is all we have for you guys today, and hopefully you will join us again next time. Thank you for watching.